guys, we're coming to the new project. It's on Rydalmer, and I want to show you how you can install the concrete slipper retaining wall. We do it in the, as you can see, on this boundary line we build the concrete slipper retaining wall, and then fence will be installed on top. But the first step is set the line to see where the retaining wall will go, all straight. I set the first post in the corner and the last one in the corner side. Then I checked by the post level to see how level it's work. And then we have to, in this job, we're using 2-meter long concrete slipper. The size is 200 by 75 and 2-meter long each concrete slipper, and we're going 4 concrete slippers up to end of the pool, and then we install just 1 slipper to the end. The post is a galvanized post. I bought it from the Bunnings, and also there is a holes to attach the part for the collarbone fence. This one, they have a hole. This is a hedge post, as you can see. They say hedge post because 2 sides is, one slipper is that way and one for there, but the end one is just C-post. That's a C-post. Just for the end. Okay, for 8, this is 1.5 meter long post, and we have to go 700 under to the ground and concrete around it. This hole is the wrong one, is for the previous fence. We take it, but now this is the beginning, and set the fence. This is a C-post for the beginning and the end, and then hedge post in the middle. Every 2 meters. This part going 1 slipper, 1, 1, and 2, 3, and then 4 going all the way. Okay, now we're digging the post hole and concrete the first one, then we'll coming through to complete it. That's a step wall. Going a step down and install the top. So guys, material delivered. That's a concrete slipper, a smooth gray, 2-meter long, 200 by 75 by 2 meter long. But it's a rainy day. They deliver it today, and we continue the job on the morning. So guys, after 3 days, we're back to the job. All concrete posts set, as you can see, and now we want to install the concrete slippers. It's all set to the concrete. What should we do? For this part, we're cleaning 1 meter level. We lay 1/2, and then we're laying 4 full on top of it to cover and close the side of the concrete from the driveway. As you can see, in this case, we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, but here we have 1/2 on there as well to close that part. These are the concrete slipper. That's a big one, 2 meter long, 75 by 200. Our post is 100. So we attach the bracket for the fence, collarbone fence on top of it. That's a bracket, galvanized. It said hot dip galvanized steel. It's a bracket to attach the collarbone fence on top of it. There is a hole, and also we have a hole on the post. Then we use the bolt galvanized 25 mil to attach the brackets to the end. First lay the all sleeper, then install the bracket for the last one, and then install the last sleeper. To fix the first sleeper, we have to measure up the steel post every 200, and the last one we add some concrete on top of it to be level, not moving later. And also in the other side, adding concrete to the bottom side and level the first one, then lay other sleeper on top of it. Easy. Guys, as I said, we install the first half and level it, concrete under both sides, and also the second one on the top, and concrete under, level it, and then lay the other on top of it. For the second one, we install half, concrete under and level it 1 meter down, and second one on top of it also fixed by concrete to the level, because if it's heavy and the rain will be move the soil and going down or up. Add the concrete next to the post on top of the post concrete, and if it's dry it fixed, never move, and it's going down. Now it's fixed and level, then we lay another 3 on top of it, going 1 step higher and 1 step high, and then going all through. So guys, we continue to install the sleepers and also bracket for the fence. As you can see, to push the sleeper touching the face to the sleeper. This is the face of the sleeper and that's the back. We cut some timber and fit in. That's the best choice to fit the sleeper in the place and not moving. And also we install the brackets for the collarbone fence. Always check the level. The bracket should be straight and bolted by 2 galvanized bolts through the holes already have on the. These 2 will be screwed to the post, and these 2 screwed to the hedge post. Now we're fixing under. We measure it and we mark it to where will be first a sleeper, and then we fit it, putting something hard, not moving down. This part will be concrete up to the level of the pool, like that, and all is a concrete, because that we're not installing the drainage system. And also the other going just for 2 sleeper and 1 for like a garden edge. Okay, ready? Now we install first a sleeper and then level it. This is the pieces we cut, around 1 centimeter. Some smaller, some a little bigger, to fit in the back of the sleeper, touching to the face. So guys, this is the finish of the wall. We try to complete it. As you can see, is a step up and going through. Yes, like that, and the bracket on top of it. So guys, job is done, completed. That's the face of the sleepers, 4 courses, and the bracket for attaching the post. We're going all through. As I said, this is just a wall and the collarbone fence on top of it, and they will fill up by the concrete to the wall. If you do the retaining wall to hold the soil and retain the soil behind it, we have to install the ag pipe and drain system for it. That's the end. 1 course, 2 course, going to 3, and at the end is a 4 course, a step down. Thank you for watching us. Oh, before that, I'll show you the back of the wall, how it looks like. Okay, the back, the front is a smooth, the back is a rough concrete finish, like that. You can see, as I said, we fix it by the timber cut to the front. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching us, and please like and subscribe our videos to help us and continue making video. Thank you. See you in the next job.